Who is the biggest pop star of all time? Tony.
Michael Jackson.
You better know it, you damn right. The king of pop, Michael Jackson.
I don't think people understand how big Michael Jackson was. I don't think they understand it because they weren't alive when it was happening.
And he wasn't just, he was huge from the time he was like 5 years old until the day he died. He could literally have people passing out in Japan. There could not be another Michael Jackson.
Now I'm very happy to present the Grammy Legend Award for 1993 to my big brother, Michael Jackson.
You know, those were good songs. I like those songs a lot, but especially the new songs.